So my name's Fred Dulwich. I'm the head of sales at Fireward. We supply automatic fire suppression systems onto CNC machines, protecting customers up and down the length and breadth of the UK. We work with Star for a number of reasons. Firstly, we use Star machines to produce our parts. We've got 3 of them machines at our manufacturing facility in Chelmsford. Secondly, the risk of fire on CNC machines, lights out equipment, unfortunately, it's a common occurrence. You know, with the best preventative maintenance in the world, fires can still occur. So our products protect their machines, customers' key sites, facilities and people being protected 24/7. So with me today, I've got some clean agent systems. These are installed on 2 machines actually here, live installations. We are the first company in the world with the UL 2166 approval for direct suppression systems. What we've got here today on the machines is the indirect models, but as part of our company's ethos, driving standards, independent testing approvals, so our customers know that not only do we say they're getting the quality products they deserve, but independent laboratories are confirming that for them. So the benefits of our systems for Star customers, often these machines have been running lights out, no one's present. Our systems are 24/7 live, so whether someone's present or not, should the worst occur and a fire happen in that machine, for whatever reason, whether it's a fault, whether it's the tool, whether it's the oils combusting, that system is protected 24/7, meaning that should you turn up to a machine after a fire, rather than having the months and months of downtime, getting a new unit in, you can be up and running in a matter of hours, saving cost, production and downtime. So our personal experience of Star machines, we protect them with our fire suppression systems so we can run lights out. The Star machines that we have, 3 of them, that produce high quality components. Because of our fire systems, we're able to run lights out, continually producing these products even when people are at home.